Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I will tell you about plumerias, also known as leaf flowers or fangipani. They are small fragrant flowers native to Mexico, the Caribbean and parts of South America. All of the plants you see of plumeria are actually done from cutting. All of their age is only 1 year. They are not tolerant of cold, so after winter they looked somewhat like this. So before summer comes, my mom took some special care of these plants. So keep on watching the video to know what special care my mom took. First of all, my mom removed all the weeds from the pot. After loosening the soil, my mom got ready for applying some fertilizer to the plant. First, I will tell you some basic requirements of this plumeria plant. A plumeria plant is best in 6 hours of full sun. It has medium moisture requirements, meaning the soil could drain well but never get soggy, but should not be allowed to dry out either. The most important property of the soil for plumeria is that it drains well. Loamy soil that is slightly acidic is the best. This plant's growth is very good. That's why my mom will be repotting this plant in another pot. But this plant, as you can see, has root bound. That's why my mom is fixing it. And also for this plant, my mom chose a bigger pot. First, my mom, as usual, added some dry leaves in the bottom part. Then my mom added soil, which is 50% garden soil and 50% compost. As Delhi is a semi-desert area, the weather gets too hot, so as soon as she repotted the plant, she gave some mulching to keep the plant cool. You can mulch with dry leaves, straws or paper. In the growing season, you can give lots of nitrogen fertilizer, but when it is in its flowering season, make sure to not give too much nitrogen. Instead, in that time, make sure to give more phosphorus or potassium-rich fertilizer. Giving them too much nitrogen will only result in more foliage growth and less flowering. My mom balanced this period with totally kitchen waste compost only. And look, new foliage growth have already started to come. Oh, and look, birds have already entered this plant. And for your potassium and phosphorus rich fertilizer, you can use banana peel fertilizer, onion peel fertilizer or kitchen waste compost. I hope this video will help you. If you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.